VPN application to use, and I will recommend you guys testing this one out. So you do get servers, do make sure you have internet connection, because when you first open the application will pretty much update everything, update the server list, and pretty much everything about the application will be updated. So once the server list is updated, you can tap on the default config option here, or you can swipe up, and you pretty much will be able to see all of the server that this application here offers, whether you want to be connected to United States, USA, or I should say UK, whatever server you want to be. But if you just want the fastest server, do recommend it to select the top option here, and you're pretty much good to go. And you just tap on the connection button down here. Once you tap on that, it will start connecting. And once connected, you're pretty much good to go. And you should be connected in seconds. Sometimes if your internet connection is giving problem, it won't connect. But once you're connected, you're pretty much good to go. So as well, they do offer subscription as it relates to unlimited time. And here you'll be able to add the connection time. So I currently only have 14 hours of connection time, and I'm going to need to add a connection time to stay connected. Or if you don't want that, you can either get their subscription, which they pretty much offer a lifetime subscription for this application here. So if I tap on the odd time option here, I'll be able to get the unlimited time option. So if I tap on this here, we'll just show an ads, let it play out for a bit. Once it's finished, I'm going to show you real quick. You just close the ads. Once you have closed the ads, we'll pretty much show you all the subscription offer that it has. As you can see here, it does have the unlimited subscription for pretty much just $5, and you have the unlimited option here, but you'll be able to see ads 1 and 2 for only $3. But if you don't have the money to purchase any subscription, you can pretty much go back and tap on the ad time option here and pretty much watch the ad. So each ad you watch, you get 30 minutes connection time. You're pretty much good to go. So you can tap on the 3 lines over here and tap on the offer option. You can go there as well to see the subscription page. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very, very simple VPN application which you can use to stay protected online. So if I missed anything at all, please comment below. I'm glad to see you in this video. I hope you'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.